AIFX Trader, technology meets profitability. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers to the creation of machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. These systems can perform tasks such as recognizing speech, understanding language, solving problems, and making decisions. Key concepts. Machine learning. Algorithms that enable computers to learn from data and improve over time without being explicitly programmed. Natural language processing. Enables machines to understand and respond to human language. Computer vision. Allows machines to interpret and make decisions based on visual data. Expert systems. Mimic the decision-making abilities of human experts in specific fields. Artificial intelligence, the power of the future. Automate trading 24/7. Trade both long and short with multiple strategies. Automate averaging the entry price by placing safety orders. Automate stop-loss, trailing, and other features. What is AIFX Trader? Your next-generation fund manager powered by AI. Wild Force Fund Management is a UK-based investment management company established in October 2009. Renowned for their exceptional market analysts, WFM has consistently delivered significant returns to their clients, attracting major investors. In 2017, WFM embarked on developing an AI-powered fund management bot, recruiting specialists from various countries. After 3 years of rigorous development, testing began in late 2020. By January 2023, WFM started utilizing this bot in the forex and crypto markets, with results exceeding expectations. However, WFM requires a minimum investment of $10 million to make their services accessible to a broader audience. WFM launched AIFX Trader. With AIFX Trader, anyone can start earning substantial profits by investing as little as $100, or any amount in multiples of $100. All funds are managed by WFM's advanced AI-powered fund manager bot. AIFX Trader offers additional earning opportunities through its excellent referral program. You can earn direct referral commissions as well as a percentage from your team members' weekly returns. Why become an AIFX Trader investor? Trusted and tested fund manager bot never misses an opportunity. Our team of specialists closely monitors the fund manager bot, continuously implementing improvements to increase profitability. The profit percentage is steadily growing every day. Security is priority. We prioritize security, which is why all payments are processed through cryptocurrency, leveraging the security of blockchain technology. No need to spend time analyzing the market. With AIFX Trader, you can earn effortlessly without the hassle of market analysis or searching for investment opportunities. Simply invest and enjoy consistent weekly returns. Free from human flaws, as humans, we sometimes let emotions affect our trading decisions, leading to significant losses. However, the bot operates without emotions or human errors. Seamless money making. Simply invest your funds and relax. The automated fund manager bot will generate profits for you, allowing you to enjoy the returns with your loved ones. Follow the steps to get on board. Register for free. Add funds to wallet. Create investment. Register for free. Click on referral link provided by your sponsor or enter her referral ID and fill all the details and click register to get registered. Then check your email and verify email. Add funds to wallet. Follow the steps. 1. From menu select add funds to main wallet. 2. Shown screen will appear. 3. Send minimum 100 USDT, BEP20, to it by copying address or scanning QR code. Wait for transaction to be completed. Come back to this page and click on I have deposited button. Funds has been added successfully. Go to home page and check main wallet balance to verify. Create investment. Follow the steps. From menu select invest to earn. Main wallet balance will be displayed. Enter the amount you want to invest in multiple of 100 USDT. Click on Make Investment button. Your investment has been done. Check on home page and enjoy earnings. Start with as little as $100 or in multiple of $100. Benefits to investors. Get maximum double of your investment for percent per week up to 50 weeks. Referral benefits to investors. Get 10% of your direct referrals investment. Team building benefits to investors. Earn from your team's weekly returns percentage up to 15 levels. Levels and percent of weekly return of team member. Level 1, 20%. Level 2, 10%. Level 3, 5%. Level 4 and 5 to 3.0%. Level 6 and 7 to 2.0%. Level 8 and 9 to 1%. Level 10 to 15 to 0.5%. Pay in and pay out with USDT. Get ROI 4% in your wallet every Monday. Minimum withdrawal amount any amount in USDT, BEP20, processed within minimum 24 hours, 1 USDT transaction charge will be deducted. Thank you, happy earnings.